Did you ever think a couple years ago you would be buying $23.7 million properties?
In November 2019, I was like, would I be able to do this? Sounds like a great plan, but I mean, would I be? Here I am. I was in debt for $200,000 for my colleges.
And there we go, dude. Gosh,
so I could never think of it. Once you get started, it's addictive.
Oh, totally, right?
It's addictive.
All right, what's up, y'all? We are here in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas at our 224 unit property. Jay and I are partners on this deal.
Yep.
So we wanted to introduce Jay. Jay came to the class
in November of 2019. The 3-day event.
Yep.
And you were the speaker the whole 3 days.
You sat on the front right.
I did. You caught my attention. I was so sold on the vision he portrayed. And it's true. I mean, you work hard. This is it, you know?
Definitely.
Yes.
It's work.
If you have the burning desire,
yep,
you will go for it. It's your, why.
That's it. Yep,
why
the why.
It.
The definite major purpose, that why. But man, Jay's been an integral part. In fact, this deal doesn't get done without Jay. Jay's the one who found the deal, built the relationship with the broker. And now we're gonna have you walk through and talk about what you've learned on this deal, how you spot value add opportunities. Yeah. One of the biggest questions people have is how to spot value add opportunities. Like, as you're walking the deal, what are you seeing?
So for me, this deal was a no-brainer as in the location of it. It's sitting right between Fort Worth and Arlington. Perfect for people who work in Fort Worth or Dallas. Quiet, nice neighborhood, gated community everywhere. The location was the first thing. I saw the value adds in it. It's a 224 unit property with great neighbors where the apartments are amazing. This is the only property in this whole area which was lacking that look and that feel, and that's the value add that came in.
So many people would look at that and be like, it's the worst looking apartment on the whole street. That's what we want to have.
Diamond in the coal.
Yeah, diamond in the coal.
Yeah,
I love it.
But that was it, and I found it online through brokerages. It came to me. Having a good relationship with the broker, that helps definitely. This was on the market. It was not off market, but it still came to me. Flew down here from San Francisco. I spent 3 days here in the whole area, looking at the area, look at the competitors, go into your competitors, apartment complex as like a future tenant to go into and look what they have. View your own property and see what you're missing, what amenities you can add, what kind of tenant profile you have. Do all that research beforehand.
That right there is key.
Yeah.
So many people just go to the target property and try to spot value adds here. What you said is key. It's going to the other, we call it a comparable market analysis, a CMA, but going to the other properties, seeing what they have, how they're performing, and then look at what is lacking on the property. That's key.
Yeah, do your research before coming in to the property. Just do your research, pinpoint what locations you're gonna go, which properties you wanna visit. Spend a day, just have a feel of the property.
Yeah.
It's not about money, and you just have to have the feel of the property first. It's like, what do you feel about it? It has 12 acres, 224 units, 27 buildings, not including the leasing office, 2 laundry, mat areas, and then a mailing. And we have a pool, we have barbecue area, we're adding playground, we are basically like turning on the whole property to let people know there's a new management, there's new people who come in to make them all curious, like, oh, things are happening here. That's where you start off like with the frontage first, and then do the renovations, advertise it, get the good tenants in, and just lift up the property.
Can I tell you how freaking fun it is to just sit here and hear you like freaking wax poetic on every detail?
I had
like,
no idea. November 2019, I was like, would I be able to do this? Sounds like a great plan, but I mean, would I be? Here I am,
Waxing poetic, dude. It's awesome. I love it, man. How many millions did this property cost?
23.7.
23.7 million.
Yeah.
Did you ever think a couple years ago you would be buying $23.7 million properties?
I was in debt for $200,000 for my colleges.
And there we go, dude. gosh,
So I could
man.
never think of it.
Game
I could
changer.
never think of it.
It is awesome.
Once you get started, it's addictive.
Oh, totally, right?
It's addictive.
Man, we were just talking yesterday how it is. It's addicting. And the deals come, you get that first one done.
Yeah.
The
You're
rest-
like, I want more, I want more. And the thing is that once you get into it, you don't feel tired of it. You love it. You love it. In the middle of the night, you're gonna wake up and like, I got this property. Oh my God, what am I gonna do to it to make the tenants happy? And bring that value to people and to my partners, to my investors.
That's fun, man, to be able to like think through a solution, something, and then actually
Make it
come to
happen.
life,
When it comes to life, that's a satisfaction in its own. Like, I thought of it, it's there, people are using it, there's money coming from it. Wow.
Love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Any advice? Okay, let's say somebody's at the class, first time, your same seats you were sitting in, what would you tell them?
Learn how to underwrite. When you get a T12 from a broker, try to dissect it down. Every number tells a story. Like you see the water bill going up all of a sudden, then there was a pipe leakage. Then you can call up and ask, hey, why did it go up so high like 2 months ago? Was there leakage? Did they fix it? Was there an insurance claim on it? Dissect those numbers, learn how to underwrite. That's the key in that. Numbers work. Get yourself a sponsor, amazing person, and go into the deal. And you gotta work hard. Finding these deals like diamond in the coal, it's not easy. But don't lose hope. It comes. Just get into the rhythm of it. Like when you start learning how to bike, you're like, should I pedal first or should I look at the same time, right? But when you get a hold of it, it's easy. It's like automatic, right? This is what it is. First few months, like what do I do first? You have great people to help you. You have mentors. Ask them questions. Get a hold of your bike, then go ride it. Once you start riding, there's no stopping. Stop at stop sign.
That's off the cuff, dude.
So that's what I feel. Like that's how my journey was, and a lot of the students I've worked with, their journey was.
Yeah, agreed. And you get some scrapes in the beginning.
You do. You're gonna be let down a few times. Don't let it be. If it was this easy, everybody would be on it. Be resilient. Once you go in it, it's just doors open on their own. You just have to open the first door. That's it.
Dude, that's money. That's golden.
It's a little bit hard, but I mean, if I can do it,
Jeez, right?
anybody can.
No question,
Yeah,
man. It's
I've seen
resiliency.
lives change. Lives change.
Mine has changed, man,
Yeah,
by
mine
a
too.
million.